أعوذ بكلمات الله تامت من شر ما خلق. Welcome friends. Today we are making one of my favorite Ghanaian dish, oilless okra. I love me some oilless okra, so I thought I should share with you how to make it. This recipe is very simple and easy, yet so delicious. To a pan, I added my chopped up okra. I chopped some very finely and I wanted some texture into it, so I chopped some bigger as well. Added my onions and I added my pepper mix. With that pepper mix, I added some green onions. I'll leave all the ingredients down below and I'm gonna link up a recipe of how I made my green pepper mix. So after adding that, I went ahead to add some water to it. I'll be using some spinach for more healthier version. You can omit it or you can add ayuyu or ewedu. If that's what you have, you can omit it as well. Mix everything to combine, then I'll go ahead to cover it. On the side, I was cooking my seafood because, as I mentioned earlier, this is a quick and easy recipe. We don't have time to waste in the kitchen. So on the side, I went ahead to boil my crab and some smoked beef. After cooking it to 5 to 10 minutes, I went ahead to add my smoked fish. And on the side, I have some of my frozen okras that I will be adding a little more to it. This okra, I made it on this channel and I can link it down below if you wanna see how I make it. After adding it, I make sure I mix everything to combine, then I'll cover it to cook. With my protein too, I went ahead to add some of the green pepper mix as well, and then I mixed everything into the okra. Mind you, I didn't add any seasoning to it because we already have the flavors from the protein. Added everything into the okra and mix everything to combine. After that, you just have to cover it for like 10 to 15 minutes on a low heat to let it simmer, and voila, there you have it. I hope each and every one of you is doing wonderfully well. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are a new subscriber, please comment down below, and for my returning viewers, kindly subscribe to your girl and leave me a comment as well. Don't forget to leave your notification bell on so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video. And yeah, after adding my beef into it, I adjust the seasoning to my preferred texture. And then it's already, look at that. As I always say, you do you use the ingredients that you have. And with this okra, just leave me a comment on what you'll be pairing this with. As you saw earlier, I paired mine with some okra. Over here, I covered it to cook, and now it's time to check up on our okra. And look at that. This took me 30 minutes to just mix this flavorful yet so delicious and aromatic okra. Thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed me till now, kindly subscribe to your girl and leave me a thumbs up. Until my next one, please stay safe and be blessed. I normally upload on Wednesdays and Saturdays. So, and I'm gonna leave some ingredients down below for this recipe. And the smoked fish, I have a recipe on it as well. I'm gonna leave it up here and you check it out. Bye.